Hey Jack, how was your weekend?
Oh, it was interesting. I had to go to the doctor.
Oh no, are you okay now?
Yeah, I'm fine, but the English part, not fine.
Language trouble?
Huge trouble. I called the clinic and said, "Hi, I need an agreement with the doctor."
Oh, Jack, it's appointment, not agreement.
The receptionist went quiet, like I was proposing.
If you've had that my brain is empty moment, you're not alone.
Doctor visits abroad can feel scary. New system, new words, and you're already sick.
Today, we'll make it simple. You'll learn 12 key phrases for doctor visits, 3 emergency lines, and 5 common mistakes.
Plus, two big differences between the US, the UK, and Australia, so you don't get surprised.
We'll do 4 real-life scenes: appointment, symptoms, instructions, and pharmacy.
And I'll do what I do best, be confidently wrong.
Perfect. Let's start with scene 1. Scene 1. Making an appointment.
Okay, ring ring, hello?
Hi, City Health Clinic. How can I help?
Hi, I'd like to schedule an agreement.
Stop. Key phrase, I'd like to schedule an appointment.
I'd like to schedule an appointment.
Nice. Short and clear. Now add a reason. Try, I've been feeling under the weather.
I've been feeling under the weather.
Great. That means a little sick, not super serious.
What if I'm really sick? Can I say, I'm dying?
Better to be clear but calm. Say what you feel. I have a high fever, or I have chest pain. If it's truly urgent, call emergency services.
Got it. For normal sickness, under the weather is friendly.
Exactly. Now, clinics will ask about time. Ask this: what's the earliest available slot?
What's the earliest available slot?
Good. Slot means an open time. Now, quick question: can you always just walk in?
Yes, I can walk in and do a dramatic cough.
In many places, regular clinics want appointments first. Walk-ins depend on the clinic.
So I can ask, do you take walk-ins?
Yes, and here's difference number 1. In the UK and Australia, many people start with a GP, general practitioner, and you often book ahead. In the US, you might book with primary care or go to an urgent care clinic for same-day help.
So urgent care is like not ER, but soon.
Exactly. ER in the US is for emergencies. In the UK, it's A&E. In Australia, it's ED.
ER, A&E, ED. 3 letters, same panic.
But now you know. Okay, mini practice. I'll be the receptionist again.
Okay.
Hi, City Health Clinic. How can I help?
Hi, I'd like to schedule an appointment. I've been feeling under the weather.
Sure. What's the reason for the visit?
My head is very boom boom.
Say, I have a headache.
I have a headache.
Nice. If you want, add time. I've had a headache for 3 days.
I've had a headache for 3 days.
Good. Now I say, we have Thursday at 10 a.m. You say,
That works for me.
perfect. Or if you can't, could we do Friday instead?
Could we do Friday instead?
Great. Now another helpful question. Do you have anything later in the day?
Do you have anything later in the day?
Great. One more common mistake. Say appointment.
Agreement.
Nope, appointment. Appoint.
Appointment.
Memory trick, you pick a point in time.
So I'm not making a relationship agreement with my doctor.
Please don't. Quick recap, Jack. Top phrases?
Key phrases: I'd like to schedule an appointment. I've been feeling under the weather. What's the earliest available slot?
Perfect. Scene 2, symptoms. Scene 2, describing symptoms.
This is where my vocabulary runs away. The doctor asked, "What brings you in today?" And I said, "My stomach is painful."
Common mistake number 2. Say, I have a stomachache.
I have a stomach ache.
Much better. Stomachache is the common word.
So I don't need to sound like a robot.
Exactly. Now let's build useful symptom phrases. Try, I have a sore throat and a runny nose.
I have a sore throat and a runny nose.
Nice. Sore throat is pain in your throat. Runny nose is when your nose keeps running.
My nose is training for a marathon.
A gross marathon, yes. Next, the doctor asks about time. Say, it's been going on for 3 days.
It's been going on for 3 days.
Good. Now, pain can change. Say, the pain comes and goes.
The pain comes and goes.
Perfect. Now, interactive question for you. How do you say, I have no energy in simple English?
I'm out of battery.
Funny, but say, I feel weak, or I feel exhausted, or I feel really tired.
I feel weak.
Great. Weak is A2 friendly and very useful.
And exhausted is stronger.
Yes. Now, pronunciation trap. Say dizzy.
Dizzy.
Mistake. It's dizzy. Try again.
Dizzy. I feel dizzy.
Perfect. Dizzy means the room spins or you feel unsteady.
Like when I stand up too fast.
Exactly. When the doctor says, where does it hurt? I panic and say, my life.
Ah, but in the clinic, say, it hurts here and point. It hurts here.
Great. Now let's do a quick Q&A drill. I ask, you answer fast.
Okay, coach.
Cold symptoms.
I have a sore throat and a runny nose.
How long?
It's been going on for 3 days.
Stomach problem.
I have a stomachache.
Pain not constant?
The pain comes and goes.
No energy?
I feel weak.
Room spinning?
I feel dizzy.
Great. Now, one more common oops. Don't say I'm boring when you mean I'm bored.
In a clinic, that would be wild.
Exactly. Okay, recap time, Jack.
Key phrases. I have a sore throat and a runny nose. The pain comes and goes. It's been going on for 3 days.
Plus stomachache, weak, and dizzy.
Scene 3. Instructions. The doctor talks fast and my ears stop working.
Then you use polite rescue lines. Scene 3. Understanding doctor's instructions.
The doctor said, take this twice a day after meals. I heard after seals.
No seals. Repeat. Take this twice a day after meals.
Take this twice a day after meals.
Good. Twice a day means 2 times every day. After meals means after you eat.
So breakfast and dinner. That's a schedule I can handle.
Exactly. Next instruction. Avoid dairy products.
Avoid dairy products.
Great. Dairy is milk, cheese, yogurt.
So no pizza. Tragic.
For a few days, yes. Next, come back if it gets worse.
Come back if it gets worse.
Nice. Now, if you don't understand emergency phrase number 3, could you say that again more slowly?
Could you say that again more slowly?
Perfect. Also helpful, could you repeat that and could you write it down?
Could you write it down?
Great. Now, confusion mistake number 4, prescription versus subscription.
I did it. The doctor said, I'll send a prescription. I said, great, I love your subscription.
A prescription is the medicine order. A subscription is for Netflix.
Prescription, like a script the doctor writes.
Exactly. Now, confusion mistake number 5, refill. You said refill, right?
Yes, I thought I could refeel my feelings.
Refill means get the medicine again, another supply.
Refill, not refeel.
Good. You can ask, can I get a refill? Or how many refills do I have?
How many refills do I have?
Now, let's practice understanding with a short role play. I'm the doctor.
Okay.
You have a mild infection. Take this twice a day after meals. Avoid dairy products. Come back if it gets worse.
So I take it 2 times a day after I eat, no dairy, and I come back if I feel worse.
Perfect. If you want to check, ask, so I take it twice a day, right?
So I take it twice a day, right?
Nice. Now, cultural difference number 2. In the UK and Australia, you usually see a GP first, and they guide you to specialists. In the US, it depends on insurance and clinics, and urgent care is common for quick problems.
So the path can look different, but the phrases still work.
Exactly. And if you're unsure where to go, you can say, I'm not sure if this is urgent.
I'm not sure if this is urgent.
Great. Recap, Jack. Top phrases.
Take this twice a day after meals. Avoid dairy products. Come back if it gets worse.
And the rescue line, could you say that again more slowly?
Plus prescription, not subscription. Refill, not refill.
Scene 4. Pharmacy. Scene 4. At the pharmacy.
I walk in and say, I'm here to pick up a prescription.
Perfect. Or you can say, I'm here to pick up my medicine.
Then they ask my name and date of birth. I almost gave my zodiac sign.
Please don't. Now, pharmacies are great for questions. Especially in the UK and Australia, pharmacists often explain how to take medicine.
So it's okay to ask, do I need to take this with food?
Yes, repeat it.
Do I need to take this with food?
Great. Another key question, what are the side effects?
What are the side effects?
Nice. Side effects are extra effects, like sleepiness or stomach upset.
Can I also ask, how often should I take it?
Yes, that's a good one.
How often should I take it?
Now your funny mistake. Say pharmacist.
Farmer.
No, pharmacist.
Pharmacist.
Great, not a farmer. The pharmacist won't sell you tomatoes.
But they might judge me for asking 8 questions.
Most don't. It's normal. If you're nervous, start with, I have a quick question.
I have a quick question.
Nice. Now, if you need more medicine later, could I get a refill, please?
Could I get a refill, please?
Great. Mini role play. I'm the pharmacist.
Hi, I'm here to pick up a prescription.
Sure. Do you have any questions?
Yes, do I need to take this with food?
Yes. Take it with food, twice a day.
What are the side effects?
You might feel sleepy. Call your doctor if it gets worse.
Could I get a refill, please?
This prescription has 1 refill. Great. Recap, Jack.
I'm here to pick up a prescription. Do I need to take this with food? What are the side effects?
And pharmacist, not farmer.
Unless I'm buying potatoes.
Now, let's list our 12 core phrases one more time so you remember.
Yes, repetition is my medicine.
1. I'd like to schedule an appointment.
2. I've been feeling under the weather.
3. What's the earliest available slot?
4. I have a sore throat and a runny nose.
5. The pain comes and goes.
6. It's been going on for 3 days.
7. Take this twice a day after meals.
8. Avoid dairy products.
9. Come back if it gets worse.
10. I'm here to pick up a prescription.
11. Do I need to take this with food?
12. What are the side effects?
And our 3 emergency lines, I need help, it's an emergency.
Please call an ambulance.
Could you say that again more slowly?
Yes, clear, simple, powerful.
One more tiny but important thing. If you ever feel suddenly very sick, don't try to be polite brave.
Yeah, don't whisper, excuse me, I may be dying.
Right. Use clear emergency English. Line 1. I need help. It's an emergency.
I need help. It's an emergency.
Line 2. Please call an ambulance.
Please call an ambulance.
And if you're calling, you can add, my friend is unconscious. Unconscious means they can't wake up.
Unconscious. Okay, that word is scary but useful.
Exactly. Simple English saves time. And remember, in the UK, you might hear 999, in the US, 911, and in Australia, 000. Different numbers, same idea.
So I should learn the number for where I live. That's homework I can do today.
And you're never bothering anyone by asking for help.
Okay, outro time.
Quick chant for 3 key lines. Schedule an appointment, earliest available slot, pick up a prescription.
That's clean. I like it.
Before we go, let's do a quick 3-step movie in your head. Step 1, you call and say, "I'd like to schedule an appointment." Step 2, you explain, "It's been going on for 3 days and the pain comes and goes." Step 3, you end at the pharmacy, "I'm here to pick up a prescription."
And if the doctor talks too fast, you don't smile and suffer.
Right. You say, "Could you say that again more slowly?" That's brave, not rude.
Also, remember your 2 big culture tips. 1, many places want you to book first, so ask about walk-ins. And 2, GP first is common in the UK and Australia, and urgent care is common in the US.
Now, a little challenge. Pick one phrase and say it out loud 3 times today.
And tell us in the comments, which phrase do you need most right now?
If you feel nervous, that's normal. You're doing a hard thing in a second language.
But you're not alone, and you're getting better every time you try.
See you next time on Easy English Ears.